So what's up guys, it's your boy VKFX and I'm live here with you guys with another video. So this video is just like a video to testify about what I taught you guys last week about how to draw a trend line on the chart. So if you haven't watched that video, please you can just go back to my channel, just scroll down. It's the last video I made on my channel. Just go there, check there, and you'll be able to learn a lot from that video. I can see people loved it because I have many views on it. So just go there, tap the video and just watch and learn from what I explained to you guys on that channel. And please hit the like and subscribe button so that I can be updated anytime I upload any video on this channel, because most of the people that are watching this channel are not subscribed to this channel. So please hit that like button and subscribe to this channel so that I can be able to come here and be encouraged to upload more videos for you guys. So now let's go. Just as exactly what I explained last week, I have to push this back. I told you guys, for you to be able to draw a trend line, you must have to have at least 2 highs or 2 lows. And now we're dealing with the sell part, because this market has been selling from all these points here. It has been selling. As you can see, we can have sales of higher highs and higher lows. So we're dealing with the sell side for this chart. So, and as you can see, if you are selling, if the price is selling, you must have to have at least 2 highs before you can be able to connect the trend line. You can go to the video I uploaded. Everything are there. There are details. They are there on that video. Just go there and you learn from it. I don't want to dive deep into those parts. Just go there and watch the video. So we had 2 highs and 2 lows here. This is the first high here. Price gave us a lower low. After its lower low, we had another higher high here, which is lower high, which is lower than this one that we have here. So what I did was I connected my trend line. I connected my trend line from this point to this point. So immediately I connected it. So what I was expecting price to come back to this our trend line again. It should come back to this trend line again to give us our chart pattern or candlestick confirmation that will sell. So after that, as you can see, price start moving, and it got to our trend line. This is our trend line that we had here. So immediately price got to our trend line. What I did was I went to the 1 hour time frame to see what price is doing. So immediately price got to our trend line. I went to the 1 hour time frame, and as you can see on the 1 hour time frame, price tapped in on our trend line first. It tapped here first. I didn't take the trade. I wasn't available on the chart when the price first of all tapped in. So when I came back to the chart, I now saw that price was already on our zone again. It has given us the double top confirmation on our zone again. And as you can see, this entry was on the 1 hour time frame. So I had to wait for price to close bearish on the 1 hour time frame before I can say yes, I'm ready to sell this chart. So what I did was I waited for price to close on the 1 hour time frame bearish. And as you can see, what is this? This is a bearish candlestick indicating that price should sell from that zone. So what I did was I entered my sell position at this point here. And I was risking 25 pips to make 50 pips on this shade. Just 1:2. I was risking 25 pips to make 50 pips on this shade. So as you can see, price started selling, but GBP messed with us this week on our channel, because immediately price started selling. I told my channel to break even on the trade. We took this sell twice, and what price did was price immediately we take the sell, price will sell to start to go in our direction. And when we now break even on this trade, price will now start to reject and it will take us out on break even. This thing happened twice to us on the channel, and I was very pissed on what was happening. I knew that yes, this price is supposed to sell, because for us to have a double top on a trend line resistance on the 1 hour time frame, that is a high probability setup for us. So that I was sure of this shade. That's why I took it twice. But after I saw that price took us out 2 times on break even, what I just did was I just left the trade I went out. I didn't trade. On. It was on Monday. I took the trade Monday, Tuesday. So on Wednesday, I didn't take any trade on Wednesday again. So as you can see, immediately price took us out. It came back to our break even. This was where we entered for. It came back to our break even, took us out. When I saw price was selling again and it closed with a bearish engulfing. Price closed with a bearish engulfing on the 1 hour time frame again. I sold the market again. I sold it again. And my take profit was, this was not where my take profit was. My take profit was around this point here, which was 1:2. This was where my take profit was. It was around this point here where my take profit was. So price was almost to our take profit, and as you can see, price created a double bottom on this zone here, and it reversed back up to our break even, because I already told them to set break even already. Immediately I saw that double bottom, because I knew anything could happen on this trade. So, and I don't want us to enter a trade that has run in profit before and now go back to stop loss and take us out. So I broke even, and what price did was price came back to our break even, stopped us out. After the break even, price sold again. It didn't take us out on stop loss. Our stop loss was above this resistance. Yeah, it didn't take us out on stop loss. Price just went there, tapped in on the resistance again after that, but I didn't take it. Price sold again to our take profit, and as you can see, price dropped up to like 100 pips on this. Price dropped up to like 160 pips. Price dropped 160 pips on this trade. So this is for you to know how strong my trend line analysis is, how strong and how you take it effective on the chart. So this morning again, after we've already gone over, like we've gotten over our story, like price hitting us on break even, so we've gotten over it. So what I did was I now marked out another resistance here, because price has broken. This was a support before. This one is just like a support and resistance strategy. Price has broken this support, which was at this point here. Immediately price broke it came back to retest. And on that retest, what do you see? I didn't use chart pattern on this trade. It was candlestick confirmation I used. Immediately price came to retest. Price gave a bearish engulfing candlestick. So immediately I saw that bearish engulfing candlestick. Immediately I took the trade. I took the sell trade, and we're risking 40 pips. Actually, I explained to my channel today. The reason why we're risking 40 pips on this trade. If we're to, my stop loss, it does not used to go over 20 to 30 pips. But this was 40 pips because I don't want us to get stopped out on the trade and price will not start moving in that direction. I don't want that for us. So what I did was I put the stop loss in the exact place our stop loss is supposed to be. I put it where it's supposed to be, above it. It was higher than our rate, but I put it there. But I knew that if price starts to reverse, and it reversed back in us for like about, if it reversed back to 20 pips or 30 pips, at that point I'll take the loss. I'll cut the loss short. I won't allow us to risk the whole 40 pips. Then after that, if I see again that price is about to sell from that point again, I will not sell at that point. That was what I was just planning to do on this trade. It didn't go that way, it went the other way around. Immediately we took our sell position. We didn't even have any drawdown on this trade. Immediately we took our sell position, price tanked massively, and it took us out in our take profit. We had 2 TPs. So our second TP has not been hit yet, almost to it. But our first TP was here, which is 1:1. Like we're risking 40 to make 40. So that was where our TP1 was. And now our TP2 is at this point here, which I'm waiting for price to get to. And I know price will get to that point definitely for it to be able to break this our support here. Price will definitely get to our TP2. So guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Please hit the like and the subscribe button so that this video can be recommended to any other person who wants to learn how to draw a trend line. And guys, The broker I'll be recommending for you guys will be Access Market and Xness. You can sign up with anyone. They have good spread. Access Market is the one with the best spread, and they are both good, and they pay out in minutes. Immediately you request for your payout, you get your payout in minutes. Their payout doesn't usually take time, and Access Market usually give a 50% deposit bonus, so above $500. So if you deposit $500 now, just know that you'll be getting a no deposit bonus, like you're getting a bonus of $500 more. You'll be getting a bonus of $500 more. For Xness, just deposit your money, trade with them, and withdraw your money. And the profile I'll be recommending for you guys is Naira Profem. So this Profem is just for my niggas who are Nigerians who are trading with Naira. So get an account with Naira Trader. The rules are not strict. There is no daily drawdown. The only drawdown they have there is max drawdown. So you are not expected to hit. You are not expected to hit the max drawdown. With the max drawdown is 20%, and the overall take, like the take profit you must get to, like the max profit for you to be able to pass the account is just 10%. Make 10% from the account and you request for your payout. There are different type of accounts. With just 8,900 naira, you can get an account with Naira Trader. You can get an account with just 8,900 naira. Get an account with them and trade with them and scale your trading to the next level. I hope I see you in the next video. Stay blessed and peace out.